Hello, everybody. I'm Hakan Gultekin, the CTO of Chooch, and today we're going to show you guys how to use our facial recognition system. It's very easy to use; anyone can use it. So let's start. First, you go to Chooch AI's website, and then you sign in or you sign up for free. I'm just going to sign in because I already have an account. And then once you click on sign in, you get the login page. You enter in your email and your password and you log in. So the dashboard is very easy to use. It's quite simple. You got perceptions, training, settings, support, documentation. We're going to go straight into training. Here we are going to click on facial training because we're going to create a facial perception, facial recognition perception. So here we are in our facial recognition perception screen. Let's create a perception called My People. So I'm going to click on the create perception button, enter in My People, and then hit on create. So we got our perception created. Now we have our perception created. Let's add a person to our perception. I'm going to add someone very famous so you guys can get an understanding of what we're doing. So I'm going to add George Clooney. Okay, so the perception is created, and there's a model name, model ID, person ID, etc. So it's asking for me 5 or more photos is needed. Actually, you could do with less than 5 photos for each person, but 5 photos is what we advise. Now I'm going to add images for this person, for George Clooney. Here we go. So I'm going to add 5 images. Okay. So as you see, all the images have been added. Right now, we've created a perception and added one person, George Clooney. We could go back and start testing this out immediately by adding one of the images that are not in the data set to make a match. So you would see it's 78%. We got a hit on George Clooney on another image. So this image was not in the data set for the person. So this is how this works. And you could also, we could do a test on an image that is not that person at all. So we get a 14% match, but not a match for Bradley Cooper's image, face image. So it's very easy to use. You could add as many people as you want. And we also have an API documentation here. So once you're done, you could hook up through the facial recognition API, passing the model ID, and make searches, and also add people. So that's about it for now on the facial recognition. It's not very complicated to use. In our next session, we're going to explain image recognition and object detection training. Thank you very much.